Hello everyone, today our topic is how to send Slack notification for GoHighLevel contact. So here my objective is that whenever we create a new contact in GoHighLevel, then we want to capture the details of that contact and we want to send a notification message on our Slack channel and we want to tell them about a new contact created. So for this, we will create an integration between GoHighLevel and Slack. For creating this integration, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, we are going to use trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use GoHighLevel. In action application, I'm going to use Slack. So how I am going to create this integration? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how I am going to send a notification message on Slack whenever a new contact is created in GoHighLevel. So here, this is my GoHighLevel account, and here whenever we will get a new contact created by any form submission or we will create a new contact manually, then we want to send a notification message automatically on my Slack channel. So here our objective is that whenever we will get a new contact in GoHighLevel, then automatically we need to send a notification on our Slack channel. And for this, we need to create an integration between GoHighLevel and Slack. So for creating this integration, I'm going to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I'm going to click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will take us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now I want to create a new workflow. For that, I'll click here on Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. Here, I have to name my workflow. So I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to send Slack notification for GoHighLevel contact. Now I'm going to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to select Home here and I will click on Create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first. And here in my trigger application, I need to connect GoHighLevel, and to connect GoHighLevel, I will use this lead connector version 2. So I'm going to select this and I have to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab and in this tab, I have this contact created. So this is going to be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this and now I have to connect GoHighLevel with Pabbly Connect. So for that, I'm going to use this webhook URL and this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between GoHighLevel and Pabbly Connect. And to connect these two accounts, I need to follow all this instruction. So first I'm going to copy this webhook URL and I will go to my GoHighLevel account. And here I will go to automation. And in automation, I have to create a new workflow. For that, I'll click here on Create Workflow. So here either I have to pick a template or start from scratch. So I'm going to start from scratch. So I'll continue here. Now I'm going to click here on Add New Workflow Trigger. So I'm going to click here. And I have to search my trigger. So here my trigger will be contact created. So I'm going to select this and I have to name my workflow. So I'm going to name it as contact created only. So I'm going to click on Save Trigger. Now I have to add my first action. So I'm going to click here on Add Your First Action. And here my action will be webhook. So I'm going to select this webhook. Now I have to set up my webhook. So my action name is webhook. My method will be post. And in the URL section, I have to paste that webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste it here. And I'm going to click on Save Action. So my webhook is added successfully. Now I will click on Save. And I will publish this workflow. And I will again click on Save. And my workflow has been saved. So I have added my workflow. Now we'll go back to Pabbly Connect. And here it is waiting for webhook response. Now to get this webhook response, what I need to do is I need to create a new contact in GoHighLevel. So for that, let's go back to GoHighLevel. I will go back and here I will go to contacts. And I will create a new contact. So I'll click on this plus button. And now I have to fill all these details to create a new contact. So the first name of my contact will be new. last name will be contact, and my email will be newcontact@pabblytudes.com. Now I have to select my phone, so I'm going to open this tab, and my phone will be of mobile. So here I will select mobile, and I have to give my mobile number. First I will give the country code, which is +91, and I will give a phone number. So this is going to be my random phone number. Now I have to select my contact type. So my contact type will be of a customer, and I have to give a time zone. I can leave this option blank too, because I don't require this option ahead. So I'm going to click on save. So I have added this new contact. So the first name is new, last name is contact, email is newcontact@pabblytudes.com, and I have this new phone number. So this is the random phone number of my contact. So I have created this new contact. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see we have received this new response. So this is the random phone number of my contact. And this is the full name of my contact, which is new contact. First name is new, last name is contact, and the email address is newcontact@pabblytudes.com. So these are the details of my new contact. Now what I need to do is I need to send a message on my Slack channel that I have created a new contact, and I have to send the details of that contact on my Slack channel. So for that, I need to set up my action. So I'm going to open this actions tab, and here my action application will be Slack. So I'm going to select this, and I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and send channel message will be my action event. So I'm going to select this, and I will connect Slack with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection, and I will click on connect with Slack. Now I have to select my token type. So my token type will be either of a user or bot, and I need to send a message on my channel. So I'm going to select token type as a bot. So this gives the authorization to send a channel message. So I'm going to click on save, and now I will click on allow to give access to my account. And my connection here is successful. So I have connected Slack with Pabbly Connect. Now I have to select my channel. So for the channel, let's go to Slack. So this is my Slack account, and in this I'm using this general channel. So I need to send message on this particular channel. So for this, let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And to select the channel, you need to open this tab, and you will select all the channels that you have in your Slack account. I'm going to select the general channel. Now I have to type my message. So my message will be, so this will be my message that we have added a new contact in GoHighLevel, and the details are name, phone number, and email. Now I'm going to map the details of my new contact that I have created in GoHighLevel from the response that I got from my GoHighLevel trigger. So for that, I'm going to use mapping. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tabs, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I'm going to open this response, and I'm going to search for the name of my contact. So this is the full name of my contact. So I'm going to map this. Now I have to map the phone number. So I'm going to click here ahead of my phone number, and I'm going to open the response again. And this is the phone number of my contact. So I'm going to map this. Now we'll map the email address similarly. So this is my email address. So I'm going to map this. So this will be my message. Now, if I have any image URL or other details, I can fill that too, but I don't need these details now. So I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to click on save and send test request button. And here we have this response. So this is a positive response, and we have sent this particular message on my Slack channel that we have added a new contact in GoHighLevel, and the details are name, phone number, and the email. Now to check this, let's go to Slack. And here we can see we have just sent a new message, and the message is we have added a new contact in GoHighLevel, and the details are name. So the name is new contact, phone number is this random phone number, and the email is newcontact@pabblytudes.com. So these are the same details of the new contact that we have created in GoHighLevel, and we have sent this message automatically in my Slack channel. So in my Slack channel, we have sent the details of the new contact that we have created in GoHighLevel. So our integration between Slack and GoHighLevel is working successfully. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and here we have created this integration between GoHighLevel and Slack, such that whenever we are getting a new contact in GoHighLevel, then we are sending a notification message on our Slack channel automatically, and in the message we are telling the details of the new contact that we have created. So let's summarize what we did here. So first, I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application here was lead connector version 2, and my trigger event was contact created. Then I have set up my action, and my action application was Slack, and my action event was send channel message. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description, so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.